Hello, boys and girls. We are on our next chapter in math. It's so exciting. This one is a lot of fun. We are on chapter 9, two-dimensional shapes and equal shares. So the essential question we want to think about while we're learning in this chapter is, how can I recognize two-dimensional shapes and equal shares? And this little girl is so adorable. She says, we're on the farm, and I'm going to play this video for you on a different slide. So when you do this lesson, make sure you watch this video and then you'll see this one as well. All right. Remember, on the back side, it gives all of the standards of what we will be learning in this chapter. So you can have mommy or daddy just read over that for you. And then this page says, am I ready? Draw lines to match the objects with the same shape. So this button is what shape? That's right, it's a triangle. So you're going to draw a line from the button to the triangle. What shape is a dollar? Right, it's a rectangle. So two-dimensional shapes are just flat shapes. All right, what shape is a clock? A circle. Good job. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. JD made this picture frame in art class. What shape is it? Circle the name. All right, let's look at this. Is this frame a triangle, a square, or a rectangle? Remember, a triangle has 3 equal parts. A square has 4 sides, but all the sides are exactly the same size. And a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. That's right, the frame would be a rectangle. Circle the shape that is different. What shape would you say is different? We have a triangle, a rectangle, and a triangle. That's right, the rectangle is different. Circle the shapes that are the same. Which shapes are the same? That's right, rectangles are the same. They're different rectangles, but they're both rectangles. All right, on the back of this one, it says my math words. We have circle, square, triangle. Write the word that names each shape, then draw an object in your classroom, and your home is now your classroom, that is the same shape. So, what shape is this? Circle, right? So the first thing we're going to do is write the word circle down here. Always do your best, neat work. And let's see, I got to find something in my home that is the shape of a circle. Well, maybe this cap to a glue stick is a circle, right? That's a circle, so I can draw. That's my glue stick. And you can label yours if you want or make up your own. All right, if I'm going too fast, always pause the video. All right, what's this shape? A square. Good job, that's right, square. And then do you see something in your home that is the shape of a square? I'm looking around. Squares are trickier than I thought. Let's see. Maybe. See, I can't reach it over there, but on the wall is a frame, and it is a square. And inside that square frame is a picture of Caden. So maybe I'll just draw when he was a baby. All right. On the bottom, what's the name of this shape? Triangle. Good job. And do you see anything in your home that could be the shape of a triangle? If you find it, go ahead and draw it. Let's see. I see, I don't know, this stamp I have is kind of like the shape of a triangle, right? So maybe I'll draw my triangle stamp. Okay. As soon as you draw your things from your home, you can go on to the next page. This next section are our vocabulary cards. We can cut them out and study them as we learn each one. We're going to learn about circles, equal parts, fourths, halves, rectangle, side, square, trapezoid, triangle, two-dimensional shape, a vertex, a hole. And it says 4 out of 4 parts shaded. We're going to learn all about that. Don't you worry. And then there's one more, composite shape. Those are fun. So the next page you have is your foldable. So I went ahead and already cut mine out. So you're going to cut it and it makes a little My Shapes book. We have little rectangle guy, square, circle, trapezoid, and triangle. And when you open it up, each page is asking you for the shape. So I'm going to take the square and I can glue it down here. If you have glue, you can glue it. If not, you can just place it there. It doesn't have to be glued. And then it's asking for how many sides and vertices. So the sides are these parts. I'm just going to draw a line. 2, 3, 4. Has 4 sides. And vertices is a fancy math word for corners. So all of these are the corners, right? A corner is where 2 lines meet together and make a point. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. A rectangle. Here's the rectangle shape. Okay, I'll just put a little glue on the back. If you don't have glue, that's okay. All right, again, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. And vertices, fancy word for corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, going on to the next page. Trapezoid. I don't know if you remember that from kindergarten. It's been a while. This is a trapezoid. We have a short line parallel with a longer line and then 2 sides. Okay, so I'm going to put a little glue on there. All right, let's count how many sides a trapezoid has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertices are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. All right, triangle. Glue this down. All right. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3. Are you noticing a pattern? Seems like however many sides there are vertices. However many sides, there are vertices. Interesting. A circle. Okay. Glue that down. How many sides? There are no sides. There are no straight sides. How many vertices? Well, if there's no sides, there's no vertices, right? There's no straight lines to meet. So we have 0. 0 sides, 0 vertices. This side is using different shapes, circles, triangles, squares, trapezoid. And look, they made a shape out of shapes. It looks like they made a little sailboat. Pretty neat, huh? You can color those if you like. And that's the end of your foldable. All right, my friends, tomorrow we will work on lesson 1. Great job.